My name is James Ferguson, and I'm an aircraft maintenance technician with Envoy Air. I joined the Army for a couple of different reasons. One, I have family history with it. The second was I've always wanted to work on aircraft. So I joined the Army as a UH-60 helicopter mechanic, and I was able to serve almost 13 years in the Army active duty while working on helicopters my entire time. When I had to transition from the military life to the civilian life, it was not easy. We were really starting to have a lot of struggles, myself more mentally than physically, with having to get into a new mindset and having to find my new purpose. I found out about Envoy through a friend of mine who is now a co-worker. He works here, and he told me about the MTP, which is the Military Transition Program. It was a program where the company was able to fly me down to Dallas and pay for all of my testing and the oral and practical evaluations I needed to get my airframe and power plant certifications and become a maintenance tech with this company.